Hi, I'm Cheryl from BookWidgets, and in today's teacher tip, I will show you how to add images to use as stickers on a whiteboard. Navigate to bookwidgets.com, log into your account, and follow along with me. You can add images to a whiteboard question or widget, and these images will serve as stickers. Open BookWidgets, create a new whiteboard widget, navigate to the General tab, scroll down to Stickers, and add stickers. You can choose to add an image, import from Google Drive, or find an image online using our Pixabay image library. Put in your search and select the image that you would like to use as your sticker. Let's check out the student view. Students can use these stickers by clicking on the star icon and then using the tools for the perfect sticker addition to their whiteboard. Want more teacher tips? Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more BookWidgets Teacher Tips.